One, two, three. Good morning or good afternoon. What's up, buddy?
Not much, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. Going skydiving?
Yes.
Alright, what for?
Bucket list thing.
Bucket list thing. That's a pretty good reason, I would say.
Yeah.
Who are you with?
Those two guys, Nav and Adam.
Oh, Nav and Adam.
Yes, sir.
And who was this idea? Or like just each person with his own bucket list sort of thing?
He just said, let's go skydiving, and then like we're all like, yeah, well,
It's all your fault, man.
My fault, right? Nah, it's been a bucket list thing. I've been trying to go skydiving with my friends from like school, but like none of them want to go. So these guys came and I was like, yeah, let's go.
All right. Any words for friends at home or family?
I love y'all.
All right, let's do it.
I don't know what else to say.
Driving cars on a Mars tonight. We're blasting off to the stars tonight. We wanna go, go. We wanna go, go.
Good job, buddy.
And then we landed, yes.
Yes.
There we go.
What's the part that you like the most? Free fall or under canopy?
Free fall, jumping out of the plane. We're looking down and then just falling out of the plane. That was unreal, different type of adrenaline.
Fuck yeah, thank you for jumping with Skydive DeLand. Thank you for jumping with me. Thank you for jumping with Lucas.
Yeah, Lucas the man. The man himself.
Good job.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.